Hi friends, welcome to our channel Virtual Insight. Today we are going to show you how to convert Python scripts into executable file that can run standalone without any interpreter. First, we need to add Python to the MS Windows directory. Click the Python setup icon and make sure to check the Add Python to Path box. Now install the Python by clicking Install Now option. And it will be installed successfully. Now make sure the internet is connected, then go to Windows command prompt and write the command pip install auto-py-to-exe. And press enter. Windows will download auto-py-to-exe and install itself. Now type auto-py-to-exe in the command prompt to initiate the auto-py-to-exe. But don't close the command prompt or else auto-py-to-exe will not work. And then select desired Python script and convert it into an executable file and you're done.